Good morning, honorable educators. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Philip from grade 6 IEP from Bannerf High School. It's an honor for me to participate in this prestigious public speech competition. Imagine yourself standing alone in a very crowded market in another country with full of people, vibrant color, and nice smell. Then, in a very bright day, you hear something that you're not familiar with, and suddenly a student asks you with a language that you don't understand at all. How can I help you? He said, and you don't know what to answer. So, in this delightful day, I would like to share my motivation to learn a second language and the reason why you should consider learning it too. When I started learning my second language, English, it was really hard time for me. It was so challenging, new words and new sounds, but I never give up. I never give up because I am aware how important English is, as English is a global language. I can say that by learning English, I get so many good opportunities. I also experience so many good opportunities which can evolve and take my potential. But the most important thing, by learning English, I'm confident to achieve my goals. Since grade 1, I really want to be a math teacher. However, since I'm living in a country where I can't use my mother language, I think by learning English, I can achieve my goals. Therefore, by having good English, I can achieve, it walks me closer to my goals because I can be a foreign math teacher here. Here's why, here in Pattaya, there are so many international schools and schools with IEP class. Not only that, by learning a second language, it really drives me to have positive attitudes towards its language and its culture. Turn it out, it leads me to have more empathy toward others. Knowing English as my second language can make me to achieve my full potential. I encourage everyone to start learning English. It might be difficult in the first time, but I can say it's really worth the pain. Therefore, I believe when you can speak English well, you will see a bright future. Thank you for listening to my speech.